My dear students, welcome to my online class. I am Palok Kanti Bakshi, assistant teacher, Singasolpur K.P High School, Norail Sodor, Norail. I hope you are well. Today, what I am going to teach you, before declaring the topic, I would like to show you a picture. Look at my picture and then gaze what I am going to teach you. I hope you have understood. Yes, degree. Yes, it is degree or comparison of adjective. Degree or comparison of adjective. At first, I would like to give a simple definition what is degree or comparison adjective. You know it, I am helping you. Degree or comparison adjective refers to different forms of adjective. I am repeating, degree or comparison of adjective refers to different form of adjective. Then how many kinds of degree? It is divided into three types. I am writing on the board. Number one, positive degree. Number two, comparative degree. And number three, superlative degree. Superlative degree. I hope you have seen what are the degrees. Now I am going to teach you transforming of degrees. Before going to change the degree, I would like to write some degree, that is adjective, like wise, positive, comparative and superlative. Number one, wise. Wise, wiser, wisest. Next, brave, braver. Bravest. Number three, beautiful. More beautiful, and most beautiful. You can see three adjectives: wise, wiser, wise, brave and beautiful. Look at the board. Wise, positive degree, its comparative form wiser and superlative wisest. Next, brave, braver, braver. last adjective beautiful. Look at this adjective beautiful. Its comparative degree is different before other two adjectives. I have added here more. I have added here more before the adjective, and I have added most before beautiful in the superlative form. You can ask me question, why we use more and most before beautiful, and why not wise and brave? I am helping you. Perhaps you know there are many words which are of many syllables. Some are one syllable, some many syllables. Here, wise and brave. These two adjectives are in one syllable, brave, wise, but beautiful, beautiful. This adjective is of three syllables. So, if you find any adjective which is more than one syllable, you must use more when you will send into comparative, and you will use most when you will send into superlative. Okay, now I am going to transfer sentence at the first rule, positive to comparative. Positive to comparative. Positive to comparative. Positive to comparative. I am writing a sentence. No other boy is as good as Rohim. Now I will change this positive to comparative. Look at the board. I am writing the instruction of changing this sentence. At first, main sentence says subject. Main sentence is subject situated at the last. My direction, write down the structure. Main sentence is subject situated last plus verb plus comparative. Comparative degree of positive degree plus than any other plus the remaining part between no other and the verb. By definition, first point, main sentence the subject situation at the last plus verb plus comparative degree or positive degree, then any other, then the remaining part between no other and this subject. Now I am changing, according to rule I am changing the sentence. comparative degree will be last subject, that is Rohim. Rohim. Rohim, last subject. Next, according to rule, verb is Rohim is. Next, comparative degree of the positive degree, that is good. Its positive degree, comparative degree is better. Better. Next, than any other. Rohim is better than any other. And according to rule, the last part, the remaining part between no other and the verb, that is this is no other and this is verb. Between two words, the selected word is boy. Now we will use boy. My dear students, I think you have understood this changing from positive to comparative. I have used at first Rohim, then verb, then comparative degree or positive degree, then next, then any other, and at last the boy. My dear student, I hope you have understood this rule. Now I am going to teach you another rule. Very few cities, very few cities of Bangladesh are as populous as Dhaka. My dear student, like the first sentences rule, I am going to write the structure of this sentence. At first, main sentences subject situated at the last plus verb plus comparative degree of positive degree plus than most other. My dear students, notice here than most other. In my first sentence, I used than any other when I wrote no other boy. That is when positive degree starts with no other, then I used than any other. But now I have started my sentence by very few. Very few. So according to this rule, you have to use this structure if you want to change this positive into comparative. Now I am going to change it. At first, Dhaka. ঢাকা, ঢাকা, Dhaka is verb converted from adjective is popular, more popular, more popular, popular. Dhaka is more popular than most other cities, most other cities of Bangladesh, My dear student, notice here in this sentence I have used more word more before the adjective because this adjective is of many syllables. This adjective is of many syllables, popular, multi-syllable. This adjective is multi-syllable, so I have used more when I have changed the sentence into comparative. Dhaka is more popular than most other cities. More popular than most other cities of Bangladesh. Then I like to say another thing in my sentence, positive sentence. I used verb are, but when I have changed it into comparative, I have used is verb. So my dear student, I think you have understood this. In this sentence, the subject or plural number, but this subject is singular number. So as Dhaka is singular number, so I have used here is. So my dear student, I hope you have understood my lesson. Now I am going to give you homework. Write down your homework, you will solve it. I am going to give you homework. Homework. Number 1, no other man is as old as Mr. Jamal. Number 2, very few animals are as faithful as a dog. Very few animals are as faithful as a dog. Number 3, very few girls are as fair as Rima. My dear student, I think you have write down these 3 sentences. Okay, thank you, goodbye. Stay at home and stay well. Thank you very much.